Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can restore deleted files or folders in Google Drive. So guys, first of all, let's just open our Google Drive application on our phone. And then we're going to tap on this three lines button on the top left corner of our screen. Then we're going to click on trash right here. We can tap on the trash option and you can select file or folder you want to restore, and I'm gonna go with this file, so we can this folder, so we can tap on this three dots button on the folder. Then we can simply click on restore to restore this folder. Okay, and now the folder has been restored and we can check it. So we can go back to the previous section, and this is the folder that I have just restored. Alright guys, and that's how we can restore deleted files or folders in Google Drive. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.